bale of hay is secured thanks to a trailer with a giant metal circular claw. This guy attached a handheld brush to a drill to clean grease off this garage floor. These stabilizing brackets allow you to patch a hole without having to find a stud. This cutter tools creates the illusion of real brick on a flat slab of wet concrete. A gigantic handsaw can cut through a thick log in seconds. This innovative chain handsaw cuts down a ground tree in less than 10 seconds. When drilled into this chemical anchor, expands and fastens a metal rod into concrete. A sheathing blade is used to groom a horse very efficiently. A tiny remote control aircraft tug relocates a plane with ease. This motorized log splitter uses a metal beak in a circular motion to divide a stump. A handheld electric tool easily strips a series of huge wires in just seconds. These battery-powered pruning shears cut through tree branches with a click of the finger. This flooring tool uses nails at a 45-degree angle to lock in floorboards quickly and easily. This slanted truck plow tool makes moving construction cones very safe and easy. A metal washer and a maker are used to make the perfect cut to fit an uneven wall. This bricklayer uses a brick cutting machine to cut them perfectly to fit. An expandable and portable conveyor belt delivers packages in a fast and easy way. This flexible drill attachment enables you to access screws in impossible to reach places. This malleable tow bar can tow a car with no chains, fasteners or human needed. This machine uses friction and heat in order to reattach broken plastic materials. This small clip uses heat to seal bags that can't otherwise be closed. These tile pros set floor tiles super quickly, thanks to their tile spacing jig tool. This socket wrench removes hard-to-reach bolts with a mere twist of the wrist. This welding tool uses a laser beam to attach two pieces of metal together. This automatic tape cutter cuts the same size tape tab every single time. Tons of ping pong balls are picked up in seconds by simply pressing down. First, this tool scoops the materials and then flips them into a bag for easy transport. This automatic drywall tape machine quickly tapes off all corners at a rapid pace. This mechanical trencher digs a perfectly cut hole into solid concrete.